My major information system is called a set of elements starting from external or internal data, useful information for the organization. Integrate set of processes developed in a user's computer environment, operating on some data, collect, process, and distribute the necessary information to facilitate the daily activity of the organization. Direction and control is decision making, coordination, and analysis. Company uses primary information system. However, any system manufactured manually do not assume it will be automated. My major information system in business is very effective in the area of accounting and finance. Since large companies like Walmart Store, ExxonMobil, Microsoft, etc., use this medium for their product and manage their income and capital. I would like to work in the company of Microsoft. I have I have many reasons that I will mention. Microsoft is dedicated to software industry and is the leading manufacturer worldwide software. Microsoft developed, manufactures, licenses, and produces software and electronic equipment. At its products use Microsoft Windows operating system and the Microsoft Office suite, which has an important position among personal computers.
Cuando estudias hotelería te das cuenta de que hay muchas más áreas de trabajo de las que piensas. Por ejemplo, Jesús, tremendo tipo, es gerente y se encarga de todo el lobby. Y allá están José, planificador de eventos y convenciones, y Mirna de Food and Beverages. Anyways, aquí uno conoce a mucha gente interesante y demás está decir los beneficios marginales. Así que ya sabes.
Este podría ser tu lugar de trabajo y esta tu universidad. Universidad del Este. Aprende lo que te gusta.